Okay, what we're going to do today, we're going to put a power cord on a brand new Hotpoint dryer. Basically what we're going to do is remove the panel here to access the terminal block. And what we're going to do, we're going to remove the screws. And slide cord in, and if you notice, basically you want to hook it up exactly the way it lays. You want to have one, the two end ones go on the two end terminals, and then the center one goes on the center terminal. You want to make sure those terminals are nice and tight. And the last thing you want to do, well, not the last thing, but one of the things you want to do is you want to put your relief strap on. Always want to make sure that you do this so that way the cord cannot be pulled. Okay, and then you want to put your panel back on. So, put the 1/4" screw back into it. Okay, and that is how you replace a dryer cord on a brand new Hotpoint dryer.